Hey, running, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the new-ish Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This one is in the crafted black because it looks so cool. 256 gigabyte version. These, oh man, it's cool. These are on sale. I only paid about $560 plus taxes for this one from Samsung, and that is without a trade-in or anything else. So very cheap, if you will. They are normally about $1,100, but they have some crazy sales going on at the moment. Yeah, so this is the crafted black. You can see that look. Ooh, and texture. That is actually a texture to it. Very, very cool looking. Let's take a quick look around here. Of course, your power button, your volume rocker there. Got a couple mics. Or a SIM card slot. The 5G guy there. And then, of course, we have cameras and flash. Nice soft close. Pretty much flat all the way through. And USB-C, mics, and speaker. Very, very cool. So yeah, this crafted black is quite awesome. This is a exclusive to Samsung's website or app, along with the white. And again, right now, this is when I bought mine. If you ordered the black or the white from Samsung's website or, in my case, app, you got a lot of money off. So again, normally I believe $1,100 here in the US. It was down to like $560. So that's without a trade-in. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.